Hello, welcome to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple beginner-friendly fish. All you're gonna need is a rectangular and long piece of paper. This is actually a leftover piece of paper of the video where I show you how to make a perfect square. You can leave it like it is, or you can shorten it by 2 centimeters, which I will do in this video. So I will turn it around and fold it 2 centimeters in. And cut it on this line that we made. Now that preparations are over, we will start with folding our fish. First we will fold the paper in half. So now we will open it and fold triangles in. So this corner right to the middle, and do the same on the other side. So we fold triangle. Next we'll turn the paper around and fold this half again to the line in the middle. And do the same on the other side. Now we will turn it around and open those triangles that we made in the first step or in the second step. Now we will fold the tail of the fish and we will fold it here on this line in the middle of triangles. So we fold it in. In the middle of triangles, a little bit further. Now that we have a tail of the fish, we'll start working on the head. We'll fold this side of the paper right to the tail of the fish. So fold it in. And press it down. Now we'll do the last step, which is folding some kind of triangles, but don't fold it to the middle line. Fold it about half of centimeters from the middle. And make sure that it's parallel with the middle line. Press it down. And we will do the same with the other. So half of centimeter from the middle line, parallel with the middle line. And now we'll turn it around. This is our fish. If you want, you can glue eye on here, or you can take a marker and draw eye on the fish. This is our fish. I hope you enjoy it and try make it on your own.